Hello Internet, I'm Guy. For those of you who may not have been following my video series about the construction of this InclinoClock, this is the completed clock, finally. Those of you who have been following, I appreciate your patience because it's been a long road for me and my partner Dave Bruckenstein. We've come to some changes in how it works, but the basis of it, for those of you who haven't followed, is this inclinometer. So you mount this inside a boat or a piece of earth-moving equipment, and there was originally a little glass tube in here with a ball in it in a liquid, and it will show you how far you're tilted over. So we've taken the glass out of here and put it into the clock. So now when you touch the touch switch at the top, it moves to show you the time, and then it settles out at the 6 o'clock position, which is where it was when I started the video. So I'll jump in a little closer and show you the details of how it works in a moment. At the end of the video, if you stick with it, I'll put a link to the entire playlist of the construction of this clock if you're interested. So thanks for watching, and if you're enjoying the video, give me a thumbs up, a like, or a super thanks, and you can also support me on Patreon. So on to the details. So here's the clock in its resting position, not showing time, so the dot here is actually at 6 o'clock. The clock face shows 12 and then 1 through 12, so you can show the time from 12 until 1 a.m. or p.m. So if I touch or wave my hand near the touch sensor, do a magic pass there, it'll home to the 12 o'clock position and then move to the 1 o'clock position and then creep to the minutes, and it's accurate to 1 minute, even though the resolution is fairly low here. And then it'll slowly crawl back to its 6 o'clock resting position. Now there are a couple of special features we've programmed into this thing. If you touch and hold the touch button here, it'll do a complete loop-de-loop. And there are two reasons for that. One is just the sheer fun of it and some interactivity that just makes it more interesting. But also it's fun to watch the bubble here, and then when it comes around here you'll see the little ball shoots around there. It's just playful. So this feature also shows up only at noon and midnight. Now you notice it's homing back again here, and now it's going to show the time for a moment and then it'll go to its resting position. So every noon and midnight it will do several spins like that, just to have a special feature, something to look forward to. So there it is resting again. So now there is a button on the back here, one button that you can use to set the time. And it only sets to the nearest hour. And the main reason we did that is because the only time you need to set the time is daylight savings time, forward 1 or back 1. So if I reach around here and touch that button once, it will now move to the 2 o'clock position, exactly at 2 o'clock, minus the minutes. So you would have to set this exactly on the hour. Now, once this is reset again, the other thing I can do is press and hold this button to go back by 1 hour. So let me do that. I'm holding it down, and now it's going to go back, set, and then move to the 1 o'clock position. So twice a year you use that button and that's it, because it has a real-time clock built inside with a battery backup, so it'll never lose time and it's always extremely accurate, just like any quartz clock. So here's the set button on the back, marked short equals plus 1 hour, long equals minus 1 hour. This is the cooling fan that draws air in through these ventilation slots and past the motor inside, and of course the connection for 24 volts at 3 amps. So that's everything on the back. I was winding up editing this video when Dave sent me this wonderful collage of the 10 clocks that we've made together over the last several years. We're already working on the next one. See the playlists below to the videos I've made about them so far.